my rightful ears.
Sabji, I think they are not your right ears.
Why? Let's do it quick.
Sabji, here's the tea. Sabji, 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 what happened to you? Sabji? Oh my god, what can I do? Hello, Shivai? Shivai? Hello? What happened? Rajan sir is no more. What? Yes, Rajan sir is no more. Okay, I will be there in 5 minutes. Tell Raghu also. Okay, Sabji. Rajan ji? Rajan ji? Rajendra ji? Rajendra ji? Rajendra ji? Rajendra ji? Rajendra ji is gone, and now the empire is mine, and I am the bloody owner of this whole empire. No one else. What will happen if I tell all this to Raghav? Raghav. Take this and be quiet. Now nothing will happen.
The empire is not only yours, you bloody moron. It's ours, equally divided.
Oh, you heard that?
That was very clear. You guys, I have an idea. Can we lapse in the morning? Huh? It will be trend.
Shut up, fool. First, let's see what test sets we can grab before the wheel shows up.
Raghav, let's see. The MNC will be mine, and the real estate will be yours.
The meadows will be mine too.
And 10% in your meadows will be mine.
And 15% in MNC will be mine, as it is way too less profitable.
It's not rightful.
That will happen.
That will not happen.
That will happen.
That will not happen.
That will happen.
No!
Let's call the lawyer.
So call him fast.
Hello.
Yes?
Hello, sir.
What happened?
Sir, Rajendra ji is no more. A feud has cropped up in our family. Please come with the will.
Oh, so sad. I'm coming. Behave yourself.
Oh, you have come. Have a sit, sir. Have a sit.
Bola, get some water for sir.
Ji, Sabji.
It's a great loss. Rajendra ji was a lion.
A lion with shears. Sabji, here's the water.
Thank you. So, what can I do?
Sir, please read the will.
Okay, listen it. Gentlemen, as per the will, assets go to the one who has cared most for the old man.
I think he is none other than me, as I have been taking care of Rajan ji from the past 5 years.
No, he's lying. I've been taking care of him from the past 10 years.
No, you are lying.
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 You are lying. No, I did the most as I posted a story on hashtag RIP Grandpa.
How about a small bribe to clarify the will?
No, I'm a lawyer. Large bribes only.
What's going on? And what happened to my dear brother-in-law?
Please no more.
What? We all know you are for shares. You think I'm doing acting? Yes. Okay, fine. Then which shares are mine? We'll talk about this later. Now go.
Oh my god, what the hell is this? Everybody is talking about shares, property. Nobody is thinking about the funeral of the body. Gentlemen, please make some arrangements of it. It is necessary now.
Okay. Raghav, call the Pandit. And Karthik, call Dr. Kundu.
Hello.
Hello?
Jai Shri Ram Pandit ji.
Jai Siya Ram, my son. Jai Siya Ram.
Pandit ji, Rajendra ji is no more.
What?
Yes, Pandit ji. We need you here urgently for the last rituals.
Okay, I'm coming.
Jai Shri Ram Pandit ji.
Jai Shri Ram. God above is great to grant. As you can see, a new chance to earn money. Om Bhunasaya Namaha.
Yeah, hashtag Pandit ji.
God bless you, my son. God bless you. Jai Shri Ram, Pandit ji. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram, my sons. Jai Shri Ram. What happened to him?
Even we don't know, Pandit ji.
let's start the rituals. But gold coins first, then blessings. Okay?
What? Gold coins for Dan Dakshina? That's not fair, Pandit ji.
Without offerings, even God stays offline, and He will not accept His pure soul. And you want me to start the rituals without offerings?
That will bring us to the roots, Pandit ji. And that's not possible for the Malhotras.
So you don't have gold coins? Then Paytm karo.
Okay. We will talk about this later. Now tell us about the rituals.
Okay, get aside.
Oh, Dr. Kundu, you are here. Bola, bring some water for Dr. Kundu.
जी साहब जी.
He's not dead. He is.
Bola, I want to tell you something, Bola.
जी साहब जी.
Bola, he is not dead, Bola.
Hello? जय सिया राम गलखंडे, जय सिया राम. Oh, yes. Oh, वसीयताए. My sons, I need to go. Get all the things ready. I will come after some hours, okay?
जी पंडित जी. जय श्री राम.
Jai Siya Ram.
Oh, Dr. Kundu, you are here?
Yes, Mr. Shivai.
What happened?
Cause of death. Business.
Captain, resting in peace and profits. Damn.
Relax, Dr. Kundu, relax. Have a seat.
Please calm, Dr. Kundu. Don't panic. I faked my death and you all failed miserably. That wasn't our intention, Rajendra ji.
Rajen ji, we thought that you are dead and we are just mourning.
Mourning my wealth, you vultures. And you, even on my death, you clicked selfies. Hashtag sorry, Grandpa. Hashtag go to hell. Oh, I see. There is still life in the old man. What a pity. I came to offer condolences and buy your company. Get out! My empire stays with me. You think we are still... Get the... What is this, Raghav? You call me to sell your company. We have changed our plans. Now go! You bloody fool! Wasted my time. You have to pay for it.
Raghav, relax. We need to sell the company and split the cash. It will be more profitable.
We can't do that right now. He's getting way too aggressive. Shut! You two are far from the boat.
Sorry, Rajendra ji.
Forgiveness not granted.
Please come, Inspector Tevatia.
Inspector, have a selfie.
Shut up. What's the matter? We got a report of corpse theft. Breaking news, billionaire resurrects mid-funeral.
Resurrects? I never died. Lawyer, what all chaos is this? And who called the police?
Even I don't know.
Have this cash and handle the situation. Shut up! You shut up! Don't interfere in our matter.
What? It's your matter? Then pay the fine for wasting police time.
Here, take this and vanish.
You don't know who I am? Inspector Tevatia. It's all starter. What about main course?
I don't know who you are, but I know that I am Rajendra Malhotra. Here, this is BMW M5 competition car's key. Take this and vanish.
BMW keys? Okay, sir, okay. If you need any help, call me. And you, the lawyer, come with me. You will have to pay fine for wasting police time.
I see it now. My family values profits, not people. So, I'll donate my entire empire to charity.
That was the play Dear Departed, reminding us that love and respect are worth more than any materialistic thing. Stay tuned for our next performance.